Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a form on Squarespace. First, open the page where your form will live. Click any insert point to bring up the content block menu. From there, simply select the form block. This action immediately adds a basic form to your page, ready for customization. It's a straightforward process, taking just a few clicks to get started. Once your form block is in place, it's time to customize its fields. You can easily edit existing fields or add new ones, choosing from options like text, email, or checkboxes. Remember to adjust labels and placeholders for clarity and mark any essential fields as required. Drag and drop fields to reorder them, ensuring a logical flow for your visitors. This step is crucial for gathering the right information. After designing your fields, decide where submissions will go. Squarespace offers several options, including sending submissions directly to an email address or storing them in Google Drive. You can also integrate with popular services like MailChimp to grow your email list. Don't forget to craft a friendly post-submit message, confirming successful submission and thanking your visitors. This ensures a smooth user experience. Finally, refine your form's appearance to match your brand. Utilize Squarespace's site styles to adjust fonts, colors, and button designs, ensuring consistency across your website. Always preview your form on various devices, like mobile phones and tablets, to confirm it looks great and functions perfectly for everyone. Once satisfied, save your changes and publish the page to make your new form live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.